I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You won't stop and look around once in a while. You can miss it.
Right, Richard. I know you're not ready, but you've been beavering away on this all day, and it's making some nice noises on the dyno, and I believe you finished with it now. So what power's it made?
167.
167. Okay, well that's pretty good for one of these, isn't it? What we expect?
Yeah. Well, 160 standard. It's got standard exhaust on it, well, standard manifold on it. Pretty much standard exhaust on it. I think it's just got to put a back box section on it. Just a cheap induction kit, so really no mods.
So what were you doing? You were doing a conversion?
Yeah, well basically this setup is OBD1 and
yeah.
You just can't tune it, basically. You can, there's old systems, but you can't data log, you can't do a lot of things that you can do with an OBD1 system, basically.
So we're using dealer Crome?
Yeah, so we've converted this to OBD1 distributor.
Yeah.
Using an original OBD0 loom and then converting the distributor plugs to do that.
Okay.
And then with a conversion harness at the ECU from OBD1 to OBD0, sorry, to OBD1.
Yeah.
Which allows us to tune on Chrome Gold, basically. So
yeah.
What we've then done is tune. So obviously they've got things like launch control, shift light, and an actual map on it. So a proper tune, basically. Proper
tune on the dyno.
Yeah, proper tune on the dyno. Not massive gains, but there never is going to be on something like this. It hasn't got a lot of mods on it, so you know I don't expect it. But the customer's had running issues ever since he's had the car, and that's basically been down to you know the old ECU and problems that he's had, and being unable to even see what the problems were because you know there's no way of plugging in and even getting a flash code and things. Well, like
it certainly sounded sweet from the office, mate. So yeah, and we've got some videos, haven't we? So we'll run those videos in a minute for the rest of this video. You can listen to it. But yeah, nice car. Nice car. Don't see many of these. So here's the results of the EF Civic that Richard's been busy beavering away on. And she's finished on 167 brake horsepower, which is all right for one of these. Graph looks good.